Now with us, we have Olive May, Queen Fortuna, May and aka Bagus Joe Basa, at syempre kasama naman sa unang hirit, Sean Lucas!
Again, once again, this is Macab Cast, the newest youth-oriented show of GMA Affairs, of GMA Public Affairs in particular. We would like to have you introduce yourselves one by one. Sean, please go ahead. Ano ba daw intro na to? As myself or as the character ba? Both. Sean Lucas po, sa Macab ako ng si Sean yung nagulangan. Ako yung leader ng mga bully doon. So, abangan niyo ako ng guys.
And I'm playing the role of Olivia Hilagan. Ako naman po yung social justice warrior ng Makan / Sorry.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Ako po si May Ann, aka Bangus Girl. Ako po dito si May Cortez, ano po, Matis Carter. Hello po sa lahat. I'm Zachary. Seth Molina. Kami lang to guys. At ako po ay isang gifted na singer and actress ng Maka.
Hello everyone, good afternoon po. My name is Dylan Menor and I'll be playing the role of Dylan de la Paz. Ako po ay isang pasaway at panaway na estudyante. Sana abangan niyo po mamayang 4:45.
Guys, round of applause please para sa ating lahat. As a reminder, mga kapuso, ay air na po ang first episode ng Maka. Ngayong araw mismo, mamayang 4:45 p.m.
There you go. Once again, Makakas, but before we let them go, we would love to see them perform a quick TikTok. Malaban sila sa inyo, yung mga batalyon.
Kaya na parang yung batalyon.
They prepared one TikTok dance for us before they leave us this afternoon. Ayan, sige.
Ang story po ng isang eskwelahan na gustong isalba ng mga estudyante. Kami po yun dahil meron kaming simpleng pangarap sa puso. Maka po, ngayong 4:45 p.m. Abangan niyo po yan every Saturdays. Directed by Direct Ron Marmot. At marami po kami ibang kasama dyan. Kaya abangan niyo po. Thank you so much and have a great day everyone!
For sure, it's gonna be a good show. Kaya Kapuso Brigade, it's your chance to have a good photo with our Maka cast.
Please position yourselves. Let's take a group photo with them.
30 seconds.
Alright,